This tutorial will highlight the calendar once again, groups as a parent, and groups in which your child may be a member. When you log in, you will be on your parent portal. The calendar in the parent view is only of the school events, not individual courses. Once you switch to a child's view, the calendar includes all course calendar postings. If you navigate to a course and select the calendar within that course, the calendar there will give you information just for that one course. Groups is another section in Schoology. In the parent view, you can access groups in which you are a member. For example, you may be a member of room parent communication groups. Your child may also be a member of a group, such as student council or other groups at school. You have access to see those groups if you navigate to your child's name and select groups. I hope this tutorial series has helped you to learn more about Schoology.